Welcome back to my US friends. 25 best survey sites in 2021. Top paid surveys for money. Do you know you can get paid for tracking surveys online? It is true. The best of survey sites reward you for providing them with your opinion. Pretty sweet, right? The top survey website offers several ways to make money the giving your opinions. Some sites provide points that can redeemed for gifts cards. Other survey pay you in cash through third party service like PayPal. Of course, you are not going to get rich just by taking service for money. However, it is an easy way to make money from home and earn rewards in your spare time. If you think completing online surveys may be for you, the best thing you can do is find some lunchtime survey website and join the more than one. That way you have a constant stream of paid survey to like. Sound good? Here is our list of the best survey sites. Try this year. Best survey website for 2021. Inbox dollars. Tolina Survey Yankee Life Points. Opinion Outpost. My Points. Pinecone Research Branded Surveys. Swagbucks Survey Club. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Panda Research. My Soup Box. Survey to Cash. Vehicle YZ. Inbox Page. YouGov. ePoll Survey. Opinion City. Mobile Experience. iPause I Say Panel. Price Ripe. Harris Poll Online. Pen Me. American Consumer Opinion. Best paid survey sites for 2021. Without further ado, here our list of the best survey sites this year. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars secures the top spot on our list of the best survey sites this year. My favorite thing about Inbox Dollar is that you don't have to miss with points. Instead, you are simply take online survey and complete other online activities for cash. The way you always know exactly how much you are earning. Inbox Dollar offers several ways to earn. If surveys are not your thing, you can watch videos, play games, and shop online. All things you might be doing anyway. You can even get paid to read emails and random coupons. Payouts on survey vary, but most pay between 15 cents and $5 and take 3 to 25 minutes. You are the going to get rich. No, but even if you only took 250-cent survey per day, you had earned to extra 365 dollars a year from Inbox Dollar surveys alone. complete other online activities and join a few more survey sites, and you cool out starting playing up some serious money. Joining this program is free and inbox dollars providing a $5 bonus just a sign up. Taking surveys for money and sign up bonus. What's a like? Number 2, Tolinia. Get paid to share your insight, and major brands such as Amazon, Coca-Cola, and Expedia become a Tolumia using your iOS Android device. Tolonia awarded to member points for completing surveys and polls, playing games, and inviting their friends. There is also an active online community where the member can create their own content such as polls. You can earn up as 1,000 points for quality content. Surveys typically pay 15 to 5,000 points depending on length, and a daily sweep task awarded 1 million points to an active Toluna. Random points for gift cards, cash through PayPal, or other rewards. Whatever works for you. Working with points is not as straightforward as the cash, but to put it positive 3,000 30,000 points nets you about $1. Survey Junks. Survey Junk is still one of the highest paying survey sites, and it remains on your favorites. With over 3 million members, it's also one of the most popular. One of the things I love most about Survey Junkie is that it's quick and easy to get started. Simply sign up for free account, complete a profile, and you can start tracking surveys for money right away. Even better, you will earn points that you can redeem for cash through PayPal or direct bank transfer. For gift cards, all need you this 500 points to cash out, which is the equivalent of $5.